Hello, what's up folks? So one of the things I love about having my channel is trying to do a lot of DIY videos that will help other people complete a project or diagnose a sound or fix a problem with their car. But today I actually have kind of a weird sound coming from my Lotus. I would love your help to let me know what you think it could be. So let me show you what it sounds like. Okay, so I'm going to turn the ignition and you'll hear, I think it's the fuel pump priming. Then I'll start the car. And did you hear that sound come on? It was not there, and then it started doing a whirr. It doesn't seem to change with RPM. I think the RPMs just kind of drown it out a little bit, but it doesn't seem to change with RPM. I think it might be the fuel pump. And if it is the fuel pump, I don't know if it's abnormal or not. I mean, I feel like it's gotten louder recently, but it's hard to tell for sure. I mean, it could have always been like that. Anyways, if you have a Lotus, let me know in the comments what you think this might be. I actually think it is more noticeable inside the car. Anyway, so I'm not sure what it is. It might be the fuel pump. If you have a Lotus, give that a listen and let me know in the comments what you think this sound might be and whether it's normal or not, because it might totally have always been there and I just am more attuned to it now. But it definitely sounds like something new that I was not familiar with. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this. Thank you for your help.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you can get notified when we post a new video.